Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play National Mah Jongg step by step. Begin by knowing your objective. Complete a legal hand following the card pattern. Set up the wall, draw tiles, and organize your rack by suits and special tiles. Pay attention to the Mah Jongg card for legal hands and point values. Practice simple hands first, watch opponents for discards, and adapt your strategy as tiles change. Identify each tile type clearly and refer to the Mah Jongg card often to guide choices. Dots, bamboo, characters, winds, and dragons each matter for sets and points. Jokers are wild and follow replacement rules, so use them carefully. Group sequences and pungs on your rack and track discards to deduce opponents' needs. Keeping a tidy rack makes quick decisions easier when the wall shrinks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick some up. I find them handy for snacks during long game nights and tournaments. Thank you for your support and attention. Now let's get back to the video. Play proceeds with drawing, optional claiming, and discarding until someone declares Mah Jongg. You begin with 13 tiles and draw one tile each turn unless you claim a discard, which may alter turn order. Claim pungs or chows according to table rules and respect turn priority when multiple players contest a discard. When your tiles match a legal hand on the card, declare Mah Jongg clearly and show your completed sets to score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.